big deal. Good morning, everybody. Good morning, my Benzinga family. What's shaking, my bacons? 132.91. Yeah, that could be all right in Apple out of the gate. Netflix, we're keeping our eyes on. AMC, we got an order if we spike down $3 this morning. Good morning to everybody. Fubu, if we spike down $1. Clove is on the radar. See if we get a spike down in that out of the opening. Palantir, we have a tiny little position. We like that this morning. Keeping our eyes on that. XPEV, we had a 50-cent trade pre-market. We bought it down on our 200. 41.40, sold it at 41.90, a little pre-market. SQ, 235 is a little close to me on the opening. That might work. 235, 234. That might work. Yeah, Mara had a big turnaround from yesterday morning. We're watching it now. That's going to trade with Bitcoin. Bitcoin gets up a bunch from here. I am going to short Mara for a trade. So I'm looking at Bitcoin. If we get up to about 36,600, then I will be short some Mara. Now we're 2,000 points away, but that could do it. Everyone in Joe Mama said that's the end of Bitcoin yesterday, right? I don't think so. Clove short? No, I don't want to short Clove. I'm not doing that. I'm a better buyer in Clove if we get a pullback. Facebook 336.80. That would work in Facebook. It's not going to happen. Yeah, we are on XPEV today. We're going to keep our eyes on it. Like I said, we made a 50-cent profitable trade this morning already, but it's definitely on the radar. DNTX up on news. All right. That could work, Kenny. It's a biotech, so we certainly don't want to be shorted. Who is doing the opening bell here? What do you mean, Oliver? Who is doing the opening bell? My imposter. Guys, I want to thank everybody who purchased the course yesterday. If you purchased our course yesterday, tonight is our mentorship at 5 o'clock. So anyone who purchased the course yesterday, we're going to see everybody tonight at 5 o'clock. And we're going to go over the course and answer any questions that anybody has. That is tonight at 5 o'clock. Baba waking up. The best part of waking up is Baba in your cup. All right, 216 could be a little short in Baba, right? Out of the gate, up $2.50. Kind of like that. Good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning. I'm not expecting a hell of a whole lot out of this market today after about 11:30, even 11 o'clock. It's summertime. All right, AMC, can you spike down $4 off the opening? You can do it. All right, Clove's on the radar. XPEV's on the radar. ALF, down $2 from yesterday. Let the games begin, guys and gals. Let the games begin. Coin pulling in already. All right. I mean, coin early 222 is where I would be in coin. Early 222. Back down $3. 222 is good. Palantir is nothing. Roku doing its usual morning thing. Wow, 412.70 was a spot in Roku, guys. Right? 412.70 short. A little early for a trend trade. Very early for a trend trade. But 212.70 is a spot. Yeah, didn't miss it by much. Went straight down $5 Roku. Holy crap. That's insane. All right? $5. Might get there again. Yeah, Micron's a little early. I wouldn't short it. It's up 50 cents. See what the next move is. Roku just hit it, guys. Holy macro. This thing is rack. Oh, is it 412.80? All right. Put bids out 412 and lower if you get a pullback. Keep it tight. Palantir is working off the opening. XPEV working nicely off the opening. Yes. Beautiful. It's all right. Look, we were experimenting with all that stuff. It's great. I mean, it's almost like 100% so far when we did all that. Fubo bouncing. I don't see anything here, though. Again, it's early, guys. Things are bopping up and down. You know, we want to be buying these things. Yep, Clove's going a little bit. I see it. AMC dead. Fubo dead. Clove didn't give us the chance to get in. Palantir, forget about. Mara, dead. Wow. All right, so Clove was the one that would have worked for a little more money, right? Didn't give us the pullback to where we wanted to be, but definitely worked this morning. Nice spicy meatball. AMC's dead. Neo could be setting up for a trend trade. Give it a few minutes to set up. 45.90 is a spot. Roku, guys. I mean, it went a little bit above it, but it worked for a couple of bucks. Roku, you know, you got to give that some room. Still could be a better buy than sell. ENTX. All right, maybe you grab a little ENTX. That's not horrible. Looks all right. XPEV could be a buy on a pullback. I see a lot of choppiness right now, guys and gals. That's what I see. And it's very early. Netflix short at 516 for shizzle. 516 short Netflix. Figs just spiked up $1. Don't ask me why. GameStop. GameStop, 215.25. Love it. Yeah, you got 216.70 and 215.25. Do 216.70 small. I don't mind adding it to 215.25. GameStop is good. Yeah, Palantir, we're long. I like Palantir. You know, if we get 50 cents over 26, maybe we'll take some profits in Palantir. We bought it this morning. Alf is a dead stick. Don't like Alf. Torch? Forget about Torch, guys. Stay away from Torch. How many people got their accounts wiped out in Torch? This thing isn't worth $3. So forget about Torch. It is getting torched. AMC, not getting a 53.20. All right, reboot on all our trades for the moment. Right, and Mara. Mara's dead, sitting in the middle, not doing anything. All right, remember GameStop, guys. If we get 216.70, I like 215.25, so don't panic out. Mara could be forming a base. That's why. It's early, though. I like to shorten Mara around $30, I can tell you that. Tesla going. Well, we love Tesla this morning, right? We could have jumped on those 650 calls. I know they were expensive, but I think Tesla's going, gone. What do you think of them apples? And we talked about it this morning. Yeah, we're good in Palantir. Let's just hang out, see what happens. Anyone grab those 650 calls in Tesla? We're going to see that. Clove dipping. All right, Clove. Let's go a little at 1342. Clove. 1342 and 1280. Now we'll try 1342. Now, here's the thing with Clove, right? If it holds 1342, we can size up a little for a quick trade. If it's going to take its time, the bloom could be off in a rose in this thing, and we see 1280. Palantir, you can join the trend now at 2540, 2550 would be a good trender in Palantir. Alf. Yeah, Alf is spiking up and down. I don't see it. I mean, we don't have a lot of Palantir, so above 26, maybe 26.10, 26.20. We'll take our profits from early this morning. Yeah, I mean, Tesla's going to 650, guys. I don't like shorting Tesla, but around 649 is probably a short for a trade. You know, you're talking up $20, right? Palantir, we want to sell our stock at, all right, I'm going 26.30 in Palantir. We'll take our profits if we get there. So we hang. Palantir is good long term too, so let's see what happens. Good. Keep moving your Tesla stop loss off if you're in it. You get in it from this morning? Excellent. MOXC. Bunch of people in my room got it. Holy Moxie, what the hell is this thing? Is it shortable? Moxie is shortable, guys. 2070, I'm shorting a little Moxie. Yeah, but just that'll be a far from moving average trade. And we can look to buy it on a pullback. I don't know. Would that be a halt up there? I don't want to get caught in a halt. 2070 is a giant move from here. You know what? Let's put out a marker, and then we'll go far from moving average. This could be a halt if it pulls back to a trend line. Right? So there's really nothing to do right now. Let's wait. Good morning, good morning, good morning. You got in at 631 Tesla. Nice job. Yeah, just keep trailing a stop. It was a beautiful spot. We traded Moxie before. Okay. All right. Marker. That's it. GameStop bounced. Not yet. All right. GameStop, guys. Readjust GameStop. 216.70, very small. Because I really like 215.20. 216.70 and then 215.30. 215.30 I really like. Do 100 shares there. Laka. AMC. Holy crap. 61 could be a short in AMC, guys. Right? Wow. Why AMC just spike up like that? That's wackadoodle. I'm feeling better about it now, AMC. Looks like a better buy than sell. I'll tell you that. Right? If we get a pullback and 61's a short, that'll be up $4. Popcorn shortage. Put a little shorty out at 61. AMC. Moxie's hanging out. Palantir's pulling back a little bit. Clove. We're getting close in Clove. Hey, we got to try Clove here, 1340, right? We got 1280 below that. Are we just going to miss Clove? Probably. You got 300 at 1350. All right, good. Start selling 1380s or so. All right, I'm canceling 1340. We came too close. Putting in 1290 in Clove. 1290. See what happens. Yeah, I like 1290. GameStop bounce. Kiss my tuchus. AMC, I still like that short, guys, if we spike up for a quick trade. 61. AMC, we want to buy on a pullback, guys. Buy. Moxie. Oh, I got to sit up straight. All right, Moxie ain't getting to 2070. Cancel that for now. GameStop bounced. AMC's hanging. We want to buy some AMC, guys, on a pullback. Baba? You're in Baba where? Long, short? What are we doing? What are you doing in Baba, guys? The short, it's 215.50. Did you short a little there? Was long, now out. Okay, good. Netflix hit 216. 516. Ah, that was a good short in Netflix, guys. 516.60 gave you a buck already, right? Anyone get the Netflix short? That was perfect, guys and gals. Cha-ching. Right off the pivot point. Nice $1.50 trade. I love it. Yeah, I don't know about Clove now. We'll wait till 12.90. Let's see what happens. Sand deal, we don't trade. We don't trade penny stocks. I still like the short in AMC if we do it right now. But again, AMC is a better buy. But I like the short if we spike up right now. That'll be $4 above the moving average. Should get a quick trade out of it, but let's keep our eyes on it. I want it to happen fast. All right, there you go, Clove. Never really broke that 13.50. That's fine. It's good. Tilray. I don't see much in Tilray. All right. In a little AMC short. Let's see what the next move is here. Of a half at 60.70 if we get a quick pullback. Just looking 60.70 and 60.50 in AMC. Covered a little at 60.70. Out of AMC, 60.70, 60.50, guys. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. 40-cent trade. Ken got 30 cents. Very nice. Yeah, I thought it would be a good quick trade. Now, if it gets back above, no good anymore. We want to buy it, too, on a pullback. Let's see what happens. Should I hold my Clove? GameStop pulling in. Oh, wow. I guess it's all about frickin' AMC now. All right. If you got a little GameStop at 216.20, add a little at 215.25 in GameStop. And then see where we go from there. Got in GameStop at 216.10. All right. 215.20, I said to add a little bit. And then see what happens. Well, it's all right. I don't mind. We did fine in GameStop, in AMC. It's okay. We could have trailed a little, taken $1 out of it. I didn't think GameStop was going to spike down this much. But if you added 215.30, you got an average of about 215.90 now in GameStop. So you got to give it a buck now. See what happens. ASAN. Yeah, we made our swing trade in that one. Maybe we'll look at it again. Boom, there you go, guys. GameStop. Start selling some at 216.50 if you can. Baba. GameStop, I'd be like 216.50 and 217. 217.20. There you go, GameStop, guys. Boom. Boom, chakalaka. Out of GameStop, guys, up here. 217 and change. Wow. Nice freaking job, guys. What did I tell you? 216.20, 215.30. You just got out at 217 and change, and you made your freaking day. Holy mackerel. Boom, chakalaka-laka. I'd be out now, guys. No, it hit our 200 and it hit our pivot point. Spectacular. We had a 215.90 average and out above 217. Made money on all three trades. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about, guys. Great morning. Yeah, Palantir's fine. Clove. Yeah, cancel Clove for now. Clove, if you're in Clove at 1350, that would be my stop now. Take some off at, 1370. Let's see what it does. I am in FRS. How far do you think it can go? I don't know what FRS is, Paul. What do you got? Give me something else. Palantir drives me crazy. Yeah, I mean, it's just taking its time. There's no volume in it right now. AMC made my day. I am done. Way to go, Dana. Beautiful. GameStop, we got to look for lower levels now. I think it could break down from here. A few snaps up there. Let's take a look at Snap. Snap setting up for a trender, right? Yeah, 63.50, 63.20. You can buy a little Snap. 63.50, 63.20. Snap-a-dapper. That is the trend. Guys, I don't always do every single trade because I'm dealing with 500 people there and 140 people in my room. But the room is crushing it this morning already, which I love to see. FRX. Sorry, I am in FRX. FRX, if it gets above 1050, it looks good. But it's not a stock that moves all that much anyway. But above 1050 is good. Just found you. How often do you do this? What up, Swan? I do it every Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday with Benzinga, and I do it every single day live in my trading room all day with all of my traders. Made my quota in Clove. Already hit goal for the day in small Peloton. I got to tell you guys, there's 130 people in my trading room. I think about 80 of them hit their goal for the day already. What do you think of them apples? That's a pretty good deal. You bought some Palantir at 25.44. Nice. Well, not every day, Igor, but we do okay. David made his goal in AMC. Oh, wow. Nice job, guys and girls. SOS. SOS to me is a lottery ticket, guys. It's a lottery ticket. If you like SOS, you buy it, you put it away. That's it. Kern. According to 231. Look, in Palantir, guys, we had a 50-cent profit in that, right? We bought 25.50. Well, not really. Whatever. I kind of like Palantir anyway. Might just stay in it. I like it long term. It got above a nice level on a daily chart. ENTX. All right. I don't see it. We need another level on GameStop, guys. Let's look. Well, we got 205, which I love. Let's just go to our multiple charts and see if we got anything else. Nope. We got nothing in game. Oh, 210. 210.70 GameStop. Kind of like that, right? I mean, that'd be 8 red bars in a row. All right, it ain't happening, but 210.70 is a good spot. Wish looks ready. Let's take a look at Wish. Yes, Wish is definitely more positive than negative. You could buy a little Wish here and add to it down lower. Wish looks good. Yes, yes, yes. I like it. Alf, do not touch Alf. Alf is done. AMC, we buy back at, I don't know, maybe 58. Let's let AMC set up now. I mean, the short was the trade of the century. RYP. I don't see it. Let's see if we can get a big pullback in AMC. All right, let's go small in AMC at 58. Here's the gig, guys and gals, okay? Anyone who's hit their goal, come close to it this morning, cut your size now. Try to add little bits, but number one, you should be out of here and leave. Number two, cut your size. All right? We'll try 58. Cancel this Palantir. That ain't happening. In Baba Trend Trade, WKHS, CLVS. Don't trade CLVS, guys, Aaron. It's a $6 stock. There's no meat on the bone. In Baba. Where are we in Baba? You got Baba short at 215.70, guys? Another beautiful one. See how Baba, guys, all this is what you guys are going to learn in the class or in our boot camp. And stock hits our pivot points, our moving averages. It's telling us to make trades, right? Baba just gave you 75 cents. That was beautiful. AMC was gorgeous. Again, technical analysis, right? Showed us to short it at 61. Spectacular. Boom. Clove holding the 65. I think I'm done with Clove for today, guys. It's dead. I don't see it. Clove is done. Space to the moon. Wow. Another one that looks great on the daily chart. It's day 2. That space is getting a little stretched. We're not ready yet, though. I mean, I'll short space at 42.40 for a trade. How is the spread in space? Yeah, I like it. Space short, 42.40, guys, for a trade. 42.40. Guys, what do we have trades in this morning? AMC, GameStop, Clove. I think we had 4 this morning. Overstock. I should have grabbed some Overstock. Coin. You're in coin long. All right, I like coin long. AMC needs a new level. Let's look. All right. I mean, we can go trend 58.30 in AMC. But again, I'd rather wait for 58. I am in Baidu. Bido. What's Bido? We don't trade SNDL, Marcus. Not one of our things. We don't trade penny stocks. Not that I have anything against them, although I do, but not something to do here. Yeah, WKHS, we said you could buy down a little bit lower. This thing looks really good. Look for a little pullback now. Blink 182. Blink 182. Again, better buy than sell. I'm not seeing much right now. We're up $8 in CLSN, Solly. That's a beautiful thing. Snapper. 63.60 is the trend and 63.30. All right. 63.30 would be better. I am in Baidu. How much longer do you think it could go? I am in Baidu. I don't know how much higher Baidu can go, but if you're in it, just trail a stop. 195 would be a nice spot to take profits in Baidu. 195. FCX. Again, we talked about FCX earlier, right? That's a 50-cent move. FCX was one of the ones we wanted to do this morning with our trend with Ken. That looks good. FCX. I like it. Tesla ripping. Again, the 650 calls this morning in Tesla was the thing to grab, right? I bet you they've gone up significantly. I don't know where they are or where they were, but Tilray. T-L-R-Y, T-L-R-Y. Tilray is very strong, yes. That'd be nice down a pullback. CCIV. I don't see anything CCIV. So what we're doing, guys and gals, especially for those of you who are just joining us, right? Everything we do is about technical analysis. Okay? So when I look at a chart like CCIV and it's trading in between everything, there's nothing to do. We want stocks that are moving significantly and hit one of our lines to put it in easiest terms as I can. Break it down. Nice and simple. Hit a line, we might make a trade. That's it. And we do not make any trades unless that happens. Period. Yeah, I mean, did we get in and out of ASAN at the right time, guys? Right? We did our swing trade on the daily chart when it got really stretched out. This thing can go higher now. It could go back to 65 when I'm not touching that. No, thank you. Clove broke out a little bit. All right. Okay, that's fine. Again, if you're still in Clove from 1350, we said it was good not to get out. Start selling a little now. Fine. Took 25 cents in Snap off the trend. There you go. Very nice, Chris. Roku. I mean, Roku just hit the 9 for a beautiful trade. Rich, you got Snap for a couple of bananas. Good. Roku hit the 9 at 410, guys. That is a trend trade. Just gave you $2.50. Wow. Yeah, Palantir's dead. I like Palantir long term. Yeah, Roku just hit the 9. Gave a great trade, Ty. Did you get a little there? All right, good. A bunch of people got Snap. Excellent. And Snap, guys. Boom. Boom, boom, boom. Well, listen, Gooch. I'm 2 for 2 today. First day out of the room. There you go, Ty. Nice. You did a bracket on Snap. You got 50 cents. Boom. All right, guys and gals. It's one of those mornings that everything has worked. So it's just one of those days. Every single trade has worked today. Doesn't happen very often. BB. I don't see anything in BB. AMC. I mean, I'll tell you what we'll do in AMC. Let's do it small. AMC. We will go 58. What are we coming down from? Yeah, 58.30 and 50. It ain't going there. Forget it. I like AMC at 57.30. You got an ENTX on the 9 and made $1. Oh, wow. Could have had some size there too, Jet. Nice. All right, there you go, Clove. So we never really broke that 13.50 in Clove. No weird stock. It trades all over the freaking place. I'm putting the AMC out at 57.30, guys. That's where I really like it. 57.30. Let it come in. Yes, it could be setting up for an uptrend. I like AMC if we get a big pullback. Well, look, we never said to get out of Clove from the 13.50 level. Now you take your profits. Dave and the gang have a great day. Hit my goal. I'm out. Beautiful. Beautiful. Wow. When did Nat Gas get the smackdown here? Nat Gas is getting the smacker. Holy mackerel. Nat Gas is almost there, guys. All right, not yet. We need a little more. Nice job, Gus. Get out of here. I love it. Dave is the real deal, Holyfield. We aim to please. Yeah, you sell half of your Clove and you look to get back in. It's good. Excellent. This way, if it pulls back again, you can buy more. Made some banana skins. You guys are all learning my freaking language now. Banana skins, wackadoodle. Really? Facebook's a better buy than sell here, guys. Without a doubt. What's Space do? I always sell 50% on my first exit. You know what I mean? I mean, the stock just went down 40 cents. Trade it. Trade it, trade it. Wish. Again, I don't see anything in Wish. Myrna. I don't see anything in Myrna. Tesla puts. No. I want Tesla calls. This morning, before the stock opened, we were talking about buying 650 Tesla calls. I think they're up 100%. So the answer is no. Shorted Maxi at 20. Got a couple of bananas. All right, good. Cancel this AMC. That ain't happening. Cancel Space. That ain't happening. Phil Moland. MOXC. Oh, wow. Nice in Moxie. Right? We had 2077. It went down $2.50. Just missed it. But still, very nice trade, Lee. Nice trade, Lee. I love it. I love it. Missed it by that much. But good trade. CCIV, I don't see much. It's kind of dead, sitting in there. Uzi. What's a Uzi? Uzi. I don't see Uzi. Oh, Voozy. I don't see a lot of meat on the bone in Uzi, guys. I think we got bigger fish to fry than that, Joe. Stay away. Neo. I mean, Neo's had a 50-cent range all day. I see nothing in Neo. There's just nothing there. We need stocks to move. AMC's coming in a little bit, guys. So let's do this in AMC. You know what? I'm sticking to my guns in AMC. 57.40 is where we buy some stock. Now, you can look for a green bar from here and buy a little AMC, but I like 57.40. SQ going. No one post ups UPST in here, Chris. UPST is on my death list, along with NVIDIA. My death list. All I do is lose money every time I trade them. Mara coming in from 29. All right. I kind of like Mara 27.50 if it goes fast, but I told you I like these things short. I do not think that Bitcoin's done going down. Baba and Clove. Baba's off to the races, guys. We want to buy Baba. Baba is a buy. Clove, again, it hit 13.55 times, so I don't know if I like it. We'll see what happens. How can you not like Baba? Baba is spectacular. Yes, Baba's got room. We need a pullback to get involved, but it's got room. RVP. That does not trade enough volume for us, guys. RVP. GRSE. No, SE is not a short at all. Too expensive anyway. Netflix, guys. 509.50. Kind of like that in Netflix, right? I mean, what a short that was. 509.50 Netflix, regular moving average trade. 509.50. Again, do this one small. 509.50. Regular moving average trade Netflix. Do you get your pivot points in your class? Whitney, if you purchase the course, yeah, we show you how to set up all your charts and everything. Yes. Palantir. All right, Palantir's fine. Get going again. Let's go. Go Palantir. We didn't even get to the trend in AMC. MOXC is trading well. Yeah, I mean, it hit the trend, MOXC, at 18.20. Gave you a nice trade. First Solar. First Solar is a better buy than sell, guys. Buy. DoorDash. Whoa. That looks newsy to me in DoorDash, right, Joe? Keep our eyes on it, but it looks newsy to me. I mean, it just bounced off the pivot point a little. 164 would be really nice. Kiss my ass, Netflix. Not happening. Wish. Again, I don't see anything in Wish. Yeah, I don't see anything. I see dead people. That Clove still looks all right. Coin. 226.70 coin. 226.50. All right, I would try it small. Vail. V-A-L-E. Vail's a nice little uptrend here. Again, not a lot of meat on the bone. The whole move is only like 30 cents. In Vail, I think we got bigger fish to fry. As far as movement is concerned, Dave, would you consider SPY as a base trade? Dash is a buy off the pivot point. Oh, it already hit the pivot point and bounced $2, Dash. But yes, it was. It was. What stock should I check out? Depends on what you're looking for. Palantir's going. That's good. Did Tesla top out? Well, Tesla hit a short exactly at our pivot point at 648 and gave you a $3 trade. Boom, chaka-laka-laka. I mean, it hit the pivot point. I went small in Dash after pointing it out. Got a $2 trade. Very nice. So here's a stock, guys, everybody, that just spikes down for no reason. None that we know about. Hits our pivot point. Yeah, broke it by a little bit and gave you a $2 trade. Whack. I know you don't like penny stocks. When you look at me, can you look at this and tell me I want to buy PHIL? I will look at it for you. PHIL. That is a penny stock. The way you want me to say, you go, you know what you want to do in PL? I mean, if you like this stock, it should be in your I don't give a shit if I lose all that money portfolio. That's it. Otherwise, I don't even want to look. It ain't worth the paper it's written on. AMD could be setting up for a trend trade, yes. All right, I'm going to go to my original goal in Palantir, which is 26.30. Get there, I'm taking the profits. I'll look to buy back if it gets cheaper. I do like it long term, but you know, this is our trade from early in the morning, so let's see if it works. It's going to 3. Okay. I love it. GameStop is going to 2,000 and AMC is going to 1,000,000. You can put them all in the same bag. You can put them all together. And between the 3 of them, you'll do nothing but lose money. I like Beat Street Magic. I like this guy. Whoa, are we getting a lot of likes over there, guys? Again, I think this market's going to be done in about 30 minutes for the day. Believe it or not, guys and gals. This is what happens on summer days. We're already losing volume, right? Yeah, so go, listen, nobody in the room who has traded this morning should be in a hurry. That's the bottom line. Nobody. It's been a spectacular day. When I make $52, you know it's a big day, and I missed 80% of the trades. So now we're going to slow down, and it'll never get better than this during the day. I can tell you that right now. This is a big mistake a lot of beginning traders make, right? So we'll start out like today, like yesterday. I think yesterday we had 4 or 5 trades. Today we had 4 or 5 trades early. First of all, what a lot of people will tell you is don't trade the first half hour to an hour, right? That's bullshit. It's amateur for people who don't know what they're doing, and it's give me the money for people who do know what they're doing. This is when you're going to make the most money, in the first hour, hour and a half of the day, right? And that's when you leave. I mean, you go. The best part about doing what we do is our time is our own. You don't hang around here. Go play golf. Go whatever. Hang out with your loved ones. That's what this is about, if we can figure it out. I don't see anything in FUBU. Kind of just sitting here not doing anything. I don't see it. I don't see it. I don't see it. Next week, we have no visitors in my room, and I will be out this Friday. But you know, everybody who's here can come hang out for the rest of the day today and tomorrow. All the Benzinga peeps. I'll give you the link into our room so you can watch us trade the rest of today and tomorrow. Although I don't think there's going to be much trading left. And next week we have no visitors. Next week is our boot camp. Yay! No, Roku's not stopping. Roku is not stopping. AMC. Cancel that for now. Let's talk options. What do you want to talk about in options? We're going to do that next week in the boot camp. We're talking options. Yes. So my boot camp is when I teach my entire course live during the week. That is coming up next week. I bought UVXY in case the market is down in the next 30 minutes. I'm starting to look at VIXY a little. Yeah, same league for the boot camp, Eric, as long as you're signed up. Anthony, I've been trading for 35 years. Literally. You joined the online course. Excellent. So we'll see you tonight at 5 o'clock. Sorry, new here. Signed up yesterday for boot camp. Yes, we will do all that, Rizzo. We'll get you all straightened out. Yes. Yeah, anyone who signed up for the boot camp next week, we'll get you straightened out and ready to go. I'll have someone help you set up your charts. I'll get you the notes so you can start looking and studying if you signed up for the boot camp. Yeah, I mean, QS is a runaway train too. It's just a buy. Can't even eat pullbacks. How can I join the online club? We'll talk about it before we get out of here today, blessings. There's a couple of things I do. One, anybody who wants can join our Facebook group. Anybody. And we do a bunch of cool stuff on there. That's Wall Street Global Trading Academy at Facebook. Doesn't cost anything. Everybody can join that. SQ's hitting the 9 at 240, 50, and 240. You went down to the 15, 240. Okay, I like it. Netflix. Yeah, I mean, I kind of still would have liked that Netflix at 509.60, but now it's kind of hesitating in between everything, right? Space. I guess you could have grabbed a little space right there at 40.40, right? I think we had that out there earlier. If you did, that's fine. Have a tight stop and see. Yes, of course, we recommend a daily stop loss, 100%. Yes, and a goal on the upside. Again, all the things that you're going to learn in the course or in the boot camp, Ty. Yes. So let me just explain this real quick, okay? One, we have our Facebook group, which is free to everybody. Two, anyone can purchase our course at Wall Street Global Trading Academy for $400, and you get mentorship with me every Wednesday night. Well, this Wednesday and then every Thursday night, forever. That's two. And number three, you can become a part of my private trading room and sign up for the boot camp. I'll show you how to do all of them before we get out of here. Yeah, I mean, CCIV is just spiking up out of here. Again, it's a better buy than sell. I don't see it. Clove, what are we doing, Clover? Yeah, again, Clove is just popping around here. I don't see that either. Yeah, my interactive brokers is great. Here's my orders. Here's my P&L. I have $27,200 in my live brokerage account. And then I got my market makers and stuff on the other side where I put my orders in. It's the best. I love interactive brokers for trading. XPEG, is that a stock? I put in something wrong. XPEG. I'm not seeing XPEG. Wrong symbol. Fuel cell. Again, to me, fuel cell, if you like it, something you buy, you put away. I don't see a lot of movement in that. Futu. Futu is another one that's very close to being on my no trade list. 172 is a good short in Futu, though. Still. If we get up to 172, I like it. XPEV, what are we doing? XPEV is a bloody mess. I don't see it anymore. Dead. Nothing to do. Tesla getting stretched. Oh, my God. I wish some of you guys bought the 650s today. No, Tesla is going to bust through here, guys, in my humble opinion. Once we got above the daily at 640 and the weekly at 642, I think Tesla's going back to 700. I think Tesla's going back to 700. I mean, we called it this morning when it was $633. We said 650. So it hit that today. Roblex, that's a bloody mess. I don't see it. Yeah, you would have had to buy them this morning, Alex, and they were probably very expensive. Yes. Home Depot, if anything, wait for the 200 to short, 312.30. Yeah, it's very expensive. I said Tesla 500 2 weeks ago. Jet, I finally hit my daily goal for the first time. Good. Get out of here, Jet. Beautiful. I love it. Get out of here. Playboy could be a better buy if it consolidates here a little bit. Overstock trades with Bitcoin, but again, Overstock looks like a nice strong uptrend now. Buy on a pullback. TTD. Now, TTD is kind of in a little trend, you know, definitely like 65 in TTD. Not a lot of meat on the bone, though. Elva's done for the day. See you tomorrow. Wow. I love it. Again, guys, do not short Tesla. I can't buy it here, but do not short it in any way, shape, or form. LAC is dead. I see dead people there. Jeremy made some money. He's out of here today. Good. Zena, how we doing today, Zena? AMC's dead. Again, you see what's happening now, guys and gals? It's 10:20. I want to show you every chart we're looking at now. Look at the volume. It's 10:20. These are the volume bars on the bottom. And they're gone. Yes, Baba, we can do a trend trade. Let's go over all Richard's trends. Coin, trend trade. Neo, trend trade. All these things on pullbacks we can buy, guys, and you can set orders out there. Palantir is good. Roku, excellent. Snap. Yes, every single one of these is good, Rich. Every one on pullbacks. So you can set up trend trades on all these things. Yes. Again, keep it small because it's been a good day. Moxie's definitely set up for a trend trade now. Yes. 1903 and 1864 are both good levels. In CCIV at 2340. Let's take a look at CCIV. 2340. Oh, okay. One thing we don't do, Stonk, and you know, you guys don't know me from a hole in the wall, but what we will not do is post trades after we get in them. Everybody in my room has to post their trades before they get in them, not after they start working. Because that's what I do. I put every trade up here before we get in. So we want everybody to post their trades before they get in them so we can follow everybody. Because after it goes up $1, it doesn't help us much. I guess you could have tried a little GameStop right there, 219.75 on the short. But I don't know. Things are strong right now. In case you guys haven't figured it out, and everybody in the room who has been here this morning, and even the Benzinga people who are taking advantage of our trading setups, I'm not in a hurry now, guys and gals. Something's going to have to smack us over the head now. I know it's only 10:22, but still, something's going to have to smack me in the head. I am not taking any chances on anything today now. So we want really good setups. Myrna's a better short. I would not buy the 200. Too close here in Myrna. Clove. CLOV. Well, again, Clove, you could have tried. I would wait in Clove now to 12.90. That's what I really like. So that's why you sell it. You know, you want a tiny at 13.50, but I like 12.90. That's our 200 EMA. Should I add more Tesla at 651? On the long side? No, you don't want to add to a great position when it's going up. That increases your cost basis, right? I don't want to add, Oliver. I would start trimming a little bit, depending on where you're in. But you certainly don't want to add when the stock is going up. You're in, you got a great position. Why do you want to increase your cost basis, right? No, Neo is not a short here, guys. It's less than a 70-cent move up there. No, 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 no. No. Torch, I think, is torch, Vicky. We recommended everybody stay away from this. We were begging to get a short in this at $77. Or whatever the hell this one was, $12. No, we do not like torch. A lot of people got torched in torch. A lot more people lost money than made money. I'm with Happy on that. That's exactly right. When you're investing long term, you start small and you add to a position in a stock that you believe in. When you're trading, you take profits and you lock in those profits. Boom. That's it. Exactly. And again, you know, I have people in my room that are trading 10 shares. every time we do a trade, and thousands of shares every time we do a trade. Matt is 9 for 9 and didn't get filled in any of our trades. Holy crap, Matt. That's insane. It has been a pretty good morning. Myrna almost hit the 200 and bounced. Good morning, Backyard Koi Art. Nah, Boeing reversed, yes, and still a better buy than say. So, Ken's in an alternative universe. Me and you, Ken. Everyone in my room makes tens of thousands of dollars. But whatever. My job isn't to make money. My job is to teach people how to make money. Get her a buy price and needs to go down. 3 for 3 and still kicking myself, Don. Yeah, I mean, look, Torch has now become a lottery ticket. I don't see anything in Ford, guys. And again, Ford is not a day trade. You like Ford, you have it, and you put it away. That's it in Ford. All right? And look, we all have long-term investments. The Ford chart looks great. So, you know, I don't mind you being long Ford. But it's a long-term investment. It's not a trade. And believe me, everybody in my room has long-term investments as well. But we are just trying to make a couple of bucks every day. They add up to bigger amounts at the end of the day, the week, the month, and the year. All right, ORPH. Again, we don't have earnings in this thing, options, but I don't think you're going to lose a lot of money buying some ORPH, right? This can do a wackadoodle thing again. This was $77, this one. So you might want to grab a little ORPH. You know, add it 650, add it 620. Maybe it's going to do a little something, something. Your long Torch, what price, Rich? I hope down here somewhere, Paul. Down here, it's worth buying a little. And, you know, it's a lottery ticket. If it works, it works, right? I mean, we all come into the daily level. $5. I don't mind you being long a little Torch here. I really don't. But you just got to put it away and forget about it. Right? That's it. Yes, ORPH, the drug was no dice. No dice on the drug, but still, it's a good trading vehicle. And this can go back to $8, $9. Who knows? Like I said, you just could have grabbed a little if you want. I love this drug. Yeah, trading is a drug. Again, you got to learn how to do it. All right, we're pushing our keyboards, and if you're not pushing the right ones, you got to put money in. Clove or bull flag? Yeah, you could buy some clove if you want, Sally. Again, there's no volume in anything anymore. That's all I'm saying. Baba, let's look. All right, for me, Baba, I'm waiting for the trend 215. 215. Well, what did I just tell you about ORPH, guys? You can own some. This is a wackadoodle stock. What do you advise to be a decent goal or range for a day trader? Yeah, it varies from person to person, Maddie. I have people in my room that are happy making $50 a day, and I have people in my room that make 7 figures a year trading, over $1 million trading. So it depends. Depends on your situation. It depends on your experience. The easiest thing in the world to do is start buying more shares. So I have people starting with 10 shares that are doing 300, 400, 500 shares now after a couple of months. So it depends on your trading account, depends on your situation, depends on a lot of stuff. D-Dog. Torch could bounce off 480. I don't think Torch has anything in it unless they revisit this drug at some point. But again, I'm not saying it's not a bad thing to own down here. Really. It could be all right. You know your downside now, right? Most you can lose in Torch is $5. I find when I mess up my stop lasers too much when I see I have a hard time moving it to break even. You get started making like $5 trade. You got to do it the right way, Nick. And you got to give the trades a chance to work, right? 0.5% a day of your account is what to try for. Okay. All right. So if you have 25 grand in the account, you want to make $125 a day. Well, if you're trading, 100 to 200 shares, you're going to easily do that. Easily. Yeah, I want to take my money in Palantir 26.30. We don't have enough of it to make a difference, but yeah, we made almost $1 on the trade. So from this morning. MDC. I don't think this thing trades a lot of volume, guys. Paul, where are you in this from? Yeah, see, this stock trades like 300,000 shares a day. I will never trade a stock like that. I won't do it long term. I won't do it short term. It just doesn't have enough volume. If I'm in it at 54, I probably add at 49.50. That is a spot on a weekly, if you don't mind holding on to it. Gevo. Gevo can bounce a little bit from here. It's all right. Always see it go back to 60. All right. I hope it does, man. Viacom. I don't know. Viacom's had a 30-cent range the whole day. I'm not thrilled with it. I've seen stocks like ORPH go to 100, not get approval, go to $3, stay there for a year, and then go back to 100. I've seen it happen. Sarepta did that. I remember being in Sarepta at $8. And they were close to getting approval. It went up to like 30. Then they lost the approval. It went down to 6 again. And then they finally got the approval, and it went to $181. Now it's just dead money. So, like I said, all hope is not lost. And there goes Oprah, right? Didn't we just say $1 ago you can buy some ORPH? Literally $1 ago. $1. CLDX, you still own one of those? Yeah, you never know what's going to happen in these things. NEO. Again, I don't want to short NEO. NEO's very strong. Looks like a better buy on a pullback. Yeah, well, the people thought they were going to get the approval for that stock, Led Zepp. Oh, this could be one of those things that halts and opens higher and halts and opens higher and halts. Who knows? It's all about momentum in these things. And when the Wall Street bets people start buying them, that's when it goes. Yeah, Baba's kind of sitting on the 9. 215 could be a little spot in Baba. Clover's dead meat. Doesn't mean it can't do anything. It's just dead right now. AMC is dead, but looks like a better buy. GLTO following Oprah. Oprah! Now, if we go sideways here a little bit in ORPH and you get a green bar, you can buy it again. Palantir, I love long-term. I have liked Palantir for a long time. I think we were in Palantir at like $18 on that big bop down. But I would buy Palantir if it pulls back to a trend line now. XPEV. And XPEV again. Looks like a better buy. Tesla's still going. Yes, no kidding. I'm telling you guys, Tesla's going to hit 700. Maybe this week. But again, those options are going to be way out of whack now. So we missed that boat. Rizzo, those are pivot points. We're going to learn all that. I think you signed up for the boot camp, Rizzo. You're going to learn all that. If you signed up for the boot camp, we're going to help you set up your charts. We're going to walk you through setting up your charts. We're going to teach you how to read your charts. Clove is dead. I see nothing in Clove. Yeah, so Rizzo, you're going to get all that. As soon as we finish up with Benzinga, I'm going to get you the notes. Anyone who signed up for the boot camp for next week, remind me, I'll get you the notes as soon as we finish up with Benzinga today. Tesla 700 calls are $1.12. That's not bad, Dennis. I mean, I kind of feel like we missed the boat, but we still got 2 days in these things. Oh, you got the notes yesterday. I don't think it's a bad trade, buying the 700 calls for $1. Brenda signed up for boot camp and notes. Good. What stock, Robert? Boot camp's completely separate from the course, Hector. But if you come into my room afterwards, I'll talk to you. I can work something out for you. All right, Hector? If you purchase the course, I can do something for those people who want to do the boot camp also. I'll work something out for you. So when we finish up, come into the room and let me know you're there, Hector. All right? Your long AMC at what price? 45? Still holding. Yeah, I mean, I don't know. You want to free up some money, sell half. I think AMC looks good again. You know, it's a little stretched on the weekly, but, you know, I don't think I'd sell it yet. I think AMC can get back to $70. Who is allowed into the room, David? Everybody in Benzinga is allowed in my room for a trial the rest of today and tomorrow, and then I'll be out Friday. Next week, I have no visitors because it's my live boot camp next week. I know, Rick, but, you know, you can have a 50-cent stop, right? If it keeps going, they'll go up. You know what I'm saying? It could be like a day trade, that's all. They're probably more than $1 now. They probably just went up 30, 40 cents, right? Oprah's pulling back. So in Oprah, you know, you got 7 and 650 if you want to grab a little bit. 7 and 650. Yes, all-time high in the markets. That's amazing to me. That's not really amazing to me, but what else? Let them do what they got to do. VIXI's $30. That's crazy. Got NCPE on a pivot point. Oh, on a trend and made $1. Very nice. Overstock. Overstock just hit the trend line, guys. Wow. 90.70 Overstock just hit the trend line. I like that. I mean, I would have done that. It's already up 50 cents. Isn't that nice? That's nice. Overstock just hit the trend line. Boom. Baba. This whole move in Baba's not even $1. I say we wait in Baba. Again, guys, I don't want to give back any money today. I don't want you guys giving back any money today. Let's wait for extreme, really good setups before we get involved in anything. And as Julian said, it's going very slow. Yeah, we took our profits in Palantir from this morning, Charles. I think we got 70 or 80 cents out of it. Please, how you make money per day as trader. You got to learn. It's not an easy thing to do, but I teach people who have never traded before, and they get it. Either you take the course, and then I'm with you on Thursday nights and Wednesday nights to mentor you, or you can do the boot camp and get a month in my room. It's a little different. So the course costs $400 for anyone who wants it. It comes with mentorship every week where we go over the entire course. My boot camp is $500, and it includes a month in my room and the boot camp, which is next week. So our boot camp is next week. If anyone's interested in that, it's $500. You get a month in the room, and I teach the entire class live. Live. So you just got it for that. All right, so a couple of things. The course is WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com. That's the course, and Aaron and someone will post this stuff up here. WallStreetGlobalTradingAcademy.com if you want to buy the course. And we're slow for a minute, so let me show you. Okay. So here's the couple of separate things that we do. And I'll explain to you exactly what's going on. All right. Number one, people who can't trade all day, they can't be in here all day. They want to learn how to trade. Wall Street Global Trading Academy.com. 6 hours this course is. 6 hours. We discounted it $100 for all Benzinga people. So we went down from 500 to 400. The course is over 6 hours long. And once you sign up, this is your members area. And this thing is the greatest. If you've never traded before, boy, this is unbelievable for $400. We start at the very beginning. Language of the stock market, money management, chart basics, our 5 trading techniques, swing trading, options trading, Bitcoin. When we have our meetings Wednesday and Thursday nights, we archive them so that you can go in and watch them back. So when you click on this is last Thursday night's meeting when it loads up. And then once you buy the course, you hit your Zoom link tonight at 5 o'clock, and we go over the entire course and answer any questions you have. So that's the Wall Street Global Trading Academy. That's if you can't be around trading live all day. My room. Okay. I'll show you my room. Hold on. What a morning we had, I got to tell you that. Okay, here's my room. In the boot camp, reduced to 100 because I signed up for the course yesterday. Well, let me talk to you about that in a minute when we finish with Benzinga, all right? Okay, so you want to sign up for the room? Normally for the boot camp next week, I charge $1,295. That's what people pay me to be in my live trading boot camp. What I'm doing for everyone in Benzinga is $500. You get a month in the room with me and the boot camp starting on Monday. So, I mean, quite honestly, if this is something that you want to do, don't buy the course. Come and sign up for the room for a month. It's only $100 more, and you'll get the live boot camp and a month with me in the room. Yeah, if you can't, buy the course and you'll get the mentorship. So totally up to you guys. Wall Street Global Trading Academy.com and greenroom-live.com. Again, when we finish, I'm going to invite everybody to come in and hang out for the next couple of days if you want. Let me get my screen share back up, see what's going on. I'm going to sign up for the boot camp. The course tonight, the course is a one-shot deal, MoveFi. No, it's not. When you buy the course, okay, you're going to get continued mentorship once a week live. So like tonight, we're having a meeting. Anyone who buys the course today is going to come tonight at 5 o'clock, and we're going to answer any questions you have about the course. Boom, chakalaka laka. And the room's a separate thing. So if you buy the course, it's not a one-shot deal. I'm going to mentor you every single week for as long as we're here. Okay? So, and the room's something different. So Wall Street Global Trading Academy is the course. Greenroom-live. Come into the room and hang out. You want to do that, it's the boot camp. Also, what everybody in this room should be doing is signing up for Benzinga Pro. Because I'll tell you right now, we make a lot of money on 1 or 2 news stories in Benzinga Pro, and it's silly if you don't have it. I'm not crazy about Microsoft there. It is the best resource for trading that you will ever find. So let's post that Benzinga link too, guys. I think they're giving you a 2-week free trial of the Benzinga Pro. No, KK, Clover's dead. I don't see anything here. Dana's doing the free trial now. Yeah, a lot of people in my room love Benzinga Pro. Pedro, I'm in the same boat. Can't afford it yet, but you can still learn from the Benzinga or join the room and Dave allows guests for a few days. Yeah, exactly. Exactly. What if I am not available at the time of the course? Yes, we everything is recorded, blessing. And you can just go back into your login and you can watch the mentorship. Yes, so it's all recorded. And you can watch it. Yes, you watch the video afterwards. Do you run a sales course? You seem like a great salesman. Johnny, I got to tell you, Johnny, okay? And I'm being honest, and anybody in my room will tell you this. If you're trading even 100 or 200 shares, I'd say 90% of the people make that $500 back probably while we're in the boot camp. The bottom line is, and you can ask anyone who's with me, we make money in this room. It's the bottom line. You guys have seen it. Yesterday was incredible. Today was incredible. I mean, we make money. That's the bottom line. We have a lot more winning trades than we do losing trades, and I really don't have to sell anything. The course has just been insane. I mean, that is off the charts. It's done well. And I don't make a lot of money on the course. Trust me, I got 9 partners. It costs a lot to do, and I don't make a lot of money on the course. I help out a lot of people that have problems, even in my room. You think $500, I'm making a lot of money, but I do a lot of nice things for a lot of people. So what else? You know what it is? It's your torch, your choice. You're going to get what you pay for in all these rooms. I doubt you're going to find somebody who sits and trades with you all day long live. Live. Right? Who's going to sit here for 4.5 hours with you every single day and post every single trade live? It just doesn't happen very often. Wish or Clove. I don't like Wish. It's not doing anything. I don't like Clove. It's not doing anything. Boeing. Better buy than sell. Facebook. 340 would have been nice if we went right there. Yes. You know, anybody who's ever been with me in a room, let's put it this way. Okay. Nobody who's ever been with me that follows our rules has blown up a trading account. Nobody. Because we just get out of our losing trades too quickly, and we have a lot more winning trades than losing trades. Nobody in my room, okay, if they followed all our rules and do all the trades, is not making money. That's it. We do teach swing trades, Milo. I teach you how to do that. We do. We did one yesterday, guy. We gave this to everybody, to Benzinga and everybody in ASAN. I think on Monday we got into the trade, right, guys? Whatever this was. We sold Sava at $60 in a swing trade because it was really stretched out, and it went down $5 the next day. So we do swing trading. We do options trading. We do everything. If I miss the first day of boot camp, can I use course for missed day? Rizzo, if you missed the first day of boot camp, I go over it 90 times during the week. So don't worry about it. You won't miss anything. You will not miss anything. Yeah, I mean, we do swing trading occasionally. I'm just vibrating to see which way AMC is going to break. All right, Ken, it is going sideways. 100%. Boeing broke the highs. ORPH going again. All right, again, you know. No reason not to be in ORPH when we talked about it. They don't have options in that thing. I'm going to have to stick with you to 7,000 account. Yeah, I hear you, Super. I got you. With a $7,000 cash account, it's very hard to do what we do. That's the bottom line. And I'm honest with everybody. I wouldn't want you to come and pay $500 a month with a $7,000 trading account. You can't do it. It's not going to work. Because a lot of the trades we do, you can't do. That's just the honest truth. Even if ORPH goes sideways here for a little bit, guys, it's still a buy. Right? And 750, it's a buy. ORPH has options? I didn't know that. Let me go look. Clove didn't have options. Oh, I think they're only monthlies, though, right? ORPH. If I remember now. Yeah, they're only, we can't do these. They're too expensive. And they're only monthlies. I know, but what are we going to do? Buy 20s? I ain't paying $1 for 20 calls. Not worth it. Bottom line, just buy some stock. You probably could have another day or two in this. Let's do this. Let's go. I'm just putting little tiny bits of stock here just to walk you through it. So this is what we're going to do. I bought 5 shares right here. Let's add some at 750. 10 shares. If we go back to 750, and we'll keep buying a little bit and maybe hold on to it. So buy a little more at 750 and 715. $7.15. Even that, it's not worth it. There's no premium. Just to be involved. 5, 10, 20 if we pull back. Wish 1335. Wish. Yeah, 13 Wish could be all right. Be honest, David, which would you recommend that I enroll for the course of the boot camp? I don't have a lot of money. Do the boot camp, Blessing. If you can be here every day, do the boot camp. You'll get more out of it. Because I'm doing it live. Yep, the room is $500 a month, and it includes a boot camp every single month. Yes. So as long as you're a room member, you get the boot camp every month to go over and over and over again. What would you say is an above average account size? I mean, we can talk about that. You're trying a little AMC at 58.20. All right, how about we go 58.20 and 57.40, Ken? I like that. Same thing with AMC. Let's do it really small. 58.20. Yep. 58.20. I'll do 25 shares. And 57.50. I'll do 100 shares. Good in AMC. All right, so there's 3 different kind of trading accounts we can have, and I don't have a lot of time left with you guys, but let's talk about it. Fang. Yeah, Fang's kind of quiet. Looks all right, though. SQ, 238.12. Definitely like 238.12 in SQ if we go in that direction. All right, so here's the 3 different kind of trading accounts you can have. Number 1, Robinhood, Wellboo, cash account. You put in $1,000, you have $1,000 to trade with. That's it. You can do some options. Maybe you can do fractional shares, 10, 15, 20 shares. You're not going to make a living day trading with that amount in your account. It's just not going to happen. $5,000, you can open up what we call a proprietary trading account. When you open up a proprietary trading account, you have to take and pass a couple of exams. You can do it with as little as $5,000, and you have $100,000 worth of buying power. So it's like having a retail account. You just got to take and pass a couple of exams. That is a proprietary trading account. And then there is the retail account, which is $25,000 more you have to maintain. That's an Interactive Brokers, a Chuck Schwab, a Thinkorswim. And you get 4 times buying power in that. You'll be able to trade with up to $100,000 worth of stock at any point during the day. Alan, if you come into my room, I can get you some information about the prop account. Okay? Yeah, if you come into my room, I can get information. Yeah, $25K is a general amount for a day trading account, correct. You stink. All right, cancel AMC. Let's leave it out at 57.50. I like that. That's fine. Out of Clove. All right. I don't know why you were in Clove. Yeah, come in. Guys, anyone who wants, come in. And for the rest of today and tomorrow, I can at least answer a bunch of questions that you have about anything. All right. And that's just go to greenroom-live.com and hit the Zoom button and you're in the room. You guys can start coming over now if you want, because we only got about another 5 minutes. So just go to greenroom-live.com, hit the Zoom button, and you're in the room. Then we can talk about everything else for the people who are interested, whether it's the boot camp or the course. So my suggestion is, if you can't sit here every day, but you want to learn how to trade, buy the course. If you can sit here every day and you want to learn how to trade, sign up for 1 month in the room. That's it. It's that simple. And if you can't afford any of that and you have a special circumstance or something, get in touch with me. Exactly, Mohammed. And I'm ready to say, guys and gals, Mara 2760. Yeah, but Mara's not enough of a move, Ken. It's only down like 30, 40 cents. I don't like it. Neo long at 45, 44. Almost got there, KK. That would have been all right, but it missed the trend, so not crazy about it now. Almost got there. So don't do it now. TCEHY. TCEHY. I don't know what that is. I don't think this trades in. Oh, Tennyson. Yeah, I know Tennyson. This doesn't trade enough volume. Well, it does. I don't know. It looks like nothing on the chart. ORPH is about to hit your number. Nah, we're long 5 shares. It's going up. We're fine. I want to buy more if it pulls back. KK, you're up 200 for the day. That's good for you. I would get out of here. Don't even bother messing around anymore. You should, KK, since you started listening to us, you should have made money every single day. Every day. So I would be out of here. What's $9, Paul? Oh, ORPH? GNUS long term. GNUS. Now, the only way I would buy GNUS is long term. Boeing trend trade on a pullback. Yes, Boeing's definitely a trend trade. Do we have any? I mean, could be a short in Boeing at 248. Definitely a trend trade on the buy side. When I told you about Blink at $1.90, BLNK. Yeah. Hey, that happens, Mark. It happens. And that's why I say just put some discretionary funds into the ones that you like. That's all. Right? First day, week and a half, yes. Yeah, I'm with you, Alan. I'll bet $1 million. Tesla 700 calls are 30 cents. All right, let's see what happens. Maybe we'll do something by the end of the day. There goes your ORPH, guys. Boom, chakalaka-laka. So if ORPH gets to 9, just send it. I am up 2,500 since I joined you. 2,000 after I paid for the boot camp. There you go. So boot camp costs $500. You made 2,000. I just made $12 on 25 shares of ORPH. There you go, Rizzo. Boom chakalaka-laka. Yeah, we just told everybody to buy a little ORPH. I don't know where we bought it. 830, something like that. Yeah. I mean, I'll take my profits at 893 because that's a nice round number. Don't ask me why. I just like 893. Paul, you're in at 760. Good. Take some profits up here. Right? Why not? I made $320 in Tesla 650 call and sold too soon. At least you listened to me and got the 650 calls, right? Nice. Beautiful. Colin, you're in Oprah at 695. Okay, I would certainly be taking some profits. I'm going to cancel these lower things. AMC moving. Let's take a look. Yeah, not in our direction, though. Cancel 5750. What criteria do you want in an accountant for this type of trading? You're an accountant, Swan Moon? Come into the room, Swan, if you have a chance, and we'll talk. Oh, you've taken profit. All right, good. Yeah, Swan, come into my room when you get a chance, and we'll talk. Nice. Oh, I have to say, guys, net, this is one of the best days we've had in this room in a long, long time. It's just been a spectacular day all around. Crazy. No, it's okay. Started with 200 shares, still have 70 left. Yeah, I mean, I'd bring my stop up in Oprah to like maybe 850 now. Lock it in. XPEV. Yes, I can look. I don't see anything right here, XPEV. I would probably buy it at 41.10. Kind of like that. You got 50 shares to sell at 893, Paul. Excellent. TRCH getting killed. Yep. Well, I told you. TRCH might be worth buying a little down here, but you have to hold it forever now. That's the bottom line. I mean, it's not like this thing went to $80. You know what I'm saying? It went to 10. Jay is up 6 for 6 today. This room is really helping. You haven't even done the boot camp yet, Woggle. Wait till we do the boot camp. All right, that's it. Aaron's coming in to kick me out. I'm going to say
I'm not kicking you out. I'm not kicking you out just yet, David. I just wanted to. Been a great morning so far.
It has. One of our best in a long time.
And everyone out there in Zinger Nation, smash the like for David. It's very rare that we get someone this knowledgeable who has the experience, who's doing what he's doing live. So it's a pleasure to watch what you do and just learn from you. So I know everyone out there appreciates it as well. Smash the like for David. Go to greenroom-live.com if you want to continue watching David trade throughout the day.
Yeah, and I'll leave you guys with we're okay for next Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. I'm going to do it even though we have the boot camp.
Beautiful, yeah. So no visitors in the room next week. Correct. So make sure to take advantage of that today and tomorrow. Get in the room, watch the trades. I agree. What's the DD? David is the man. So, David, again, thank you. Anything else you want to leave us with?
Yes, I want to leave you with the most important thing is Benzinga. Okay, guys? I've been doing this for 35 years, and I have never done a collaboration with anyone in my career until I hooked up with Aaron and Spencer and Benzinga. And I wouldn't be doing it if these guys weren't the best at what they do. So everybody out here, you got to get signed up to Benzinga Pro. It's really a tool that you have to have if you're trading. And that's what I'm going to leave you guys with. Come on over to the room now, guys and gals. Otherwise, we'll see everybody.
Yep, I'm going to post that link one more time, greenroom-live in the comments. So just click that link, join the Zoom link, and you'll be in David's room.
All right, guys. See everybody on Monday or later in the room.
Have a good one, David.
You too. Do I pay Benzinga? No, I don't, just so you know.
No, we just love having them.